Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shahzad Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to fix voicemail is not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, just simply tap on settings here to check that your device is updated with latest iOS version or not. So you can see general, just tap on it, and you can see software update, just tap on it, checking for update. If you have any pending update, just simply tap on download and install to update your device. So go back, just simply launch the settings app, scroll down, and here you can see accessibility. Tap on it, scroll down, and now you can appear on the screen live speech. Just simply tap on it, just simply turn off after 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back. Now you can hear on the screen favorite phrases. If you want to add favorite phrases in your live speech, you want tap on plus, go back. Now you can see voices. If you want to use different languages on live speech, so just simply go back, and here you can see voice control. So if you want to use control nearby devices, or if you want to use voicemail on your device, so watch this full video and follow all these steps to fix your voicemail is not working. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.